The ultimate guide to add product reviews on Shopify 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing in detail about Shopify features, and the feature that we're, going to be in discussion with today is adding product reviews. Now, product reviews, as we all know, are pretty necessary. Like once you have a product showing in, the checkout page, audience can give their reviews on it. So by doing that, what you're allowing yourself to do is you're allowing yourself to know what what the audience thinks about your products, if they actually enjoy your product, even if they like, do they actually like the product that you're providing them, and all that stuff. So it's a good thing to have for your page. And we're going to be discussing how you're going to do that in, pretty simple steps. So do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information we're going to provide you. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So to basically get started on it, obviously we're going to go ahead and discuss like the different pricings that Shopify brings you, because to add product reviews, do know this, that you can do it on the free plan. You have 3 different plans, okay? The basic, Shopify, and advanced. So basically they're going to give you a free trial, first of all, which is what I'm showing you how to access all of this on. But do know this, if you're on the free trial, you will not be able to get the product reviews. Again, I repeat, you will not be able to get the product reviews on the free trial. Make sure to have at least a basic trial, and like the basic trial is pretty good, the most popular one, and it works perfectly. So obviously you can go ahead and try it for free right now, get a taste of it, see what it's actually like. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start your free trial. Now, I'm not going to take you through the whole sign up and login process because I already have an account, and it's a pretty, you could say, lengthy login process. So I'm just going to show you what the whole thing looks like. It's going to look like this. They're going to ask you a list of questions. So what you can do is you're going to fill it in. I'm going to skip it all for now. Then they're going to ask where your business is located. They're going to ask you to choose an account that you're going to actually make it on. And once you do this, from there on out, basically, yeah, you're going to be good to go. So again, once you've logged in, go ahead straight into the account, and from there on out, let me show you what's gonna happen and what the whole store interface is gonna look like. Now basically it's gonna, once you've gone through the whole settings, it's gonna start building your store, show you all this stuff right here. So again, do make sure have all this stuff properly working for you. And once obviously it's properly loaded, it might take like a few seconds, so let's just wait for it to load. Now, as we can see, once it's loaded over here, see all this stuff. From here on out, what you're going to want to do is basically, first of all, go ahead and add products, because without products, obviously, there are no product reviews. So to add products, you're going to come here to products, as so. Once you come to products, let's go ahead and add a product. And adding a product in Shopify, relatively very easy in comparison to like the other features that it actually gives you, because like all you're gonna do is, as you can see, let's say I'm gonna add a pink shirt. Let's add a pink shirt. Once you do that, you're going to give a good product description if you want to. I'm just going to write random gibberish just to give you an idea. And then from there on out, you can keep the status, if it's active or not. Then you have the media. Okay, the media is, the photo for the product you're going to add. I'm going to just add a random photo that I have. Then there's the price. You can keep the price as so. There's the compare price that you can compare it with, that okay, this used to be this, but now it's this. So you get the point. And once you've done all of this, just go ahead and save. Again, you can just go ahead and mess that it's giving you. But once we are done with that, from here on out, as you can see, this publishing channels, it's online on the online store, the POS, all the market. Now, once it's done, we're going to head back to home in more depth on what you're going to do with this. So once, you have all this down here, you're going to go to search, and you're going to search product, or you can do one better. You can just go ahead and search reviews. And once you click on reviews, as you can see, they're going to give you all this stuff. So you're going to go on the Shopify App Store as they tell you, or you can just choose the App Store from here, click on add apps. And here you have Shopify App Store. So just redirect yourself to the App Store. And let me show you what you're going to do step by step. So you're going to come here. You're going to come up to this page over here. You're going to write reviews. Okay. Now, once you write reviews, trust me, just write reviews. Like that's the only thing you're gonna need to write. And once you do that, as you can see, you get all these things over here. Okay, we're gonna like just leave all that. You're gonna come here where it says product 3.6 rating. This is basically something that Shopify made itself. It is a product that Shopify has made itself. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Add App. Okay, and once you click on Add App, what they're gonna do, they're going to add the app into the Shopify store, and obviously they're going to give you install app. So I'm going to go ahead and install the app. So let me show you what it's going to do and how you're actually going to implement it to the products that you're going to have on the store. So let me just wait for this to load up. So there we go. Please wait while we check for your store previews. Now, as you can see, they're going to tell you the whole step, and I'm going to show you how to do this as well. So open the theme that you like to customize, select the product template you'd like to add reviews to, click add section, and select reviews from the list of apps. So I'm just going to go ahead here, I'm going to verify it. And as you can see, these are the things, like this is the reviews, pretty good stuff. So, in some cases they're going to give you do not add the correct app block to your product page and all that stuff. So you can, add these ad blocks for yourself. So what you're going to do is just go on your online store and wherever you have your themes. Okay, let me show you how you're going to customize. So here's your themes. Just click on customize. Okay, and once you click on customize, it's going to bring you here. So once you come here, obviously you're going to go to the feature products you have over here. And, as you can see, you have all this stuff. So to add something to your, thing, you're going to go on ad block, as I told you. And once you click on ad block, click in this over here, you have reviews and star rating. So you can add both of them or you can add one of them. Again, that totally depends on you. So as you can see, you have customer reviews, and then you're going to click on ad block again, and you're going to click on star rating. And once you click on that, you're going to see it adds the customer reviews and the star rating under it. And from there on out, just go ahead and save your page, publish it, and it's going to look amazing. And you can also, go into preview mode to see how it actually looks, just to, get a glimpse of how things actually are with your page. So you get the point. So obviously once we save it and everything, let me go back ahead to my online store. Once it's saved, once it's properly loaded, I'm going to click on view your online store. Obviously it might take a second or two to do all of that. So obviously we're going to come and click over here and look at that. So obviously here are going to be your customer reviews, and here are going to be your customer ratings. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you're going to add, reviews to your products on Shopify. If you found this helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.